Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear webinars, once again I welcome you to Sri Chandra's distance learning program. First we will take a short review of the previous class, then we will proceed towards the exercises. What we were learning in our previous class, we had learned about al-kalimatu wa aqsamuha, its definition, meaning and examples. We had learned about this topic. We will take a short review, then we will proceed towards the exercises. What is al-kalimatu? In Arabic, al-kalimatu means word. Wa aqsamuha, its kinds and its kinds. So, what is al-kalimatu? Al-kalimatu is a word made of letters which give some meaning. Okay. A word, a group of letters which give some meaning known as al-kalimatu. Okay. A group of words which give some meaning known as al-kalimatu. Its kinds. What are the kinds of kalima? Kalima has three kinds: al-ismu, noun, al-fi'lu, verb, and al-harfu, particle. Noun, al-ismu, al-fi'lu, al-harfu, particle. Al-ismu, what is al-ismu? Al-ismu, it is every word by which a person, a place, an animal, an inanimate object, a plant, or anything else is named, known as al-ismu. As I said before, ism has a broader concept in Arabic. Ism covers the topics of noun, pronoun, adjective, and adverbs. Okay. Like Khalidun. Khalidun is a name of a person. Nabilun is also a name of a person. Al-Ustazu, the teacher, it is also a noun. At-ta'amu, the food, it is also a kalima. Al-masjidu, masjid. Al-banku, the bank. Al-mal'abu, the playground. Al-muslimu, the Muslim. Al-muallimu, the teacher, educator. Al-talibu, the student. Al-muhadiru, the lecturer. These all are the examples of al-ism. Okay. Now come to al-fi'lu. What is al-fi'lu? Al-fi'lu, it signifies the occurrence of an action at a particular time. Al-fi'lu means it signifies the occurrence of an action at a particular time, like kataba, he wrote. Fahima, he understood. Dakhala, he entered. Akala, he ate. Sajada, he prostrated. Yursilu, he is sending. Yursilu has three meanings: he sends, he is sending, he will send. Yalabu also has three meanings: he is playing, he plays, he is playing, or he will play. According to the context, we will take the translation according to the context. Ubud, worship. It's an imperative tense. Worship. Allama, he taught. La tajlis, don't sit. La takhruj, don't went out, don't go out. These are the examples of al-fi'lu. Now come to al-harfu. What is al-harfu? Al-harfu means particle. Literally it means letter. Al-harf covers all the categories. Al-harf covers interjection of English, preposition of English, and conjunctions, articles, and other things are covered by al-harf in Arabic. Particle. Particle means it is a word whose meaning is not clear till it combines with other words. Then it will give its clear meaning. Like we have, for example, ala, on, min, from, fi, in, an, from, li, for, ila, to, hatta, till, wa, and, be, with, ka, like, mundu, since. These are the examples of al-harfu. This was our previous class. Now we will solve exercise number 1, that is uktubil ma'ana, write the meanings. One question will be asked in your exam about write the meanings. He will ask you to give the meanings in English. He will give you the Arabic word, then you have to give its meaning. Today I have sent model question paper on you into your group. I have posted in your group model question paper of semester 1. You may refer there. This question is given. Uktubil ma'ana, write the meanings. Okay. This question will be given. So we will solve this exercise 1 from unit 3. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Exercise 1. Write the meanings. Write the meanings. Uktub al-ma'ana. Al-ma'ana. Uktub al-ma'ana. Write the meanings. This is your question. What he will do, he will give you an Arabic word that you have to translate in English. Write the meanings. Got it? Exercise 1, Uktub al-Ma'ana. Write the meanings. Yes, it is there. A group is there. You may contact the group admin to add your number. You may send the number to your group admin and request him to add your number in the group. Okay? Mention whether you are a girl or a boy, and also mention which group you are studying, BCom or BSc. Okay? BCom, for BCom Generals and Computers, one group is there for girls, and for BCom Generals and Computer, one more group is there for boys, and one group NZC, BSc NZC, for the students of BSc NZC, one separate group is there. So you may give or post your number to the group admin and request him to add your number in the particular group. Okay. Here, Uktubil Ma'ana, write the meanings. What he will do, he will give you an Arabic word like At-Tiflu. At-Tiflu. What is the meaning of At-Tiflu? Infant. The infant. Infant means baby. At-Tiflu. Infant, the infant. When we prefix al to any word, then al can be translated as the, the definite article. At-Tiflu. If al is not given, then you may translate the word with indefinite article a or an. Second word, al-muhandisu. 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 What is the meaning of Al-Muhandisu? Al-Muhandisu means the engineer. The engineer. Al-Muhandisu, the engineer. Then one more word. Okay, the next word is al-kalbu. 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 He will give you the word al-kalbu, then you have to give the meaning. What is the meaning of al-kalbu? Al-kalbu means the dog. Okay. Next word, fourth word, al-fanniyu. Fanniyu. Al-fanni or al-fanniyu. Al-fanni or al-fanniyu. Meaning the technician. The technician. Next, one more word. As-salih. 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 The pious. Pious person. Neek admi. At-tiflu, the infant, al-muhandisu, the engineer, al-kalbu, the dog, al-fanniyu, the technician, as-salihu, the pious person. Write it down or grabs the screenshot. Did you take the screenshot? Alhamdulillah, then we will write some more words. We will take some more words. Now, next, word number 6. 6 is At-tiflu is over. Al-babu. Al-babu. Al-babu means the door. Seventh word, At-tajiru. At-tajiru. Al-babu, the door. At-tajiru. At-tajiru, the businessman. The businessman. At-tajiru, the businessman. Next, al-muallimu. Al-muallimu, the teacher. The educator. Al-muallim. Al-waladu. Al-waladu, the boy. Next, al-mal'abu. Al-mal'abu. Al-mal'abu, the playground. The playground. Okay. Once I will read it for you. Al-Babu, the door. At-Tajiru, the businessman. Al-Muallimu, the teacher. Al-Waladu, the boy. Al-Mal'abu, the playground. Got it? Some more words here. We will take some more words. This side. 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Here, Al-Malabu is over. Al-Masrafu. Al-Masrafu. Do not unmute your clips, audio clips. Al-Masrafu, the bank. One more word, Al-Muhaziru. Al-Muhaziru, the teacher or the lecturer. Okay, Al-Muhaziru, the lecturer. Al-Masjidu. Al-Masjidu, the masjid. At-Tabibu. At-Tabibu, the doctor. Last one, Al-Jawwalu. Al-Jawwalu, the mobile. The mobile. Once you read with me, here, Al-Masrafu, the bank. Al-Muhadiru, the lecturer. Al-Masjidu, the teacher. And Al-Masjidu, the Al-Muhadiru, the lecturer. Al-Masjidu, the masjid. At-Tabibu, the doctor. Al-Jawwalu, the mobile phone. The mobile. Okay. Okay. With this, we will stop here. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.